Guys, where are you guys making this money? Like, how are you guys making this money? How are you guys making this money on YouTube? Because I've watched series of videos, I've watched a lot of people's video, how much YouTube paid me for 200 views, how much YouTube paid me for 50 views, how much, and I'm saying dollars, like dollars. Like, guys, how were you guys able to make this money? Because I don't understand. You will not believe how much YouTube paid me for 1,500 views on my shorts. Yes, like what is happening? Okay, guys, in today's video, I want to share with you guys how much YouTube paid me for 1,500 views on my short. So I posted this short. I didn't want to post the short, so I was just like, let me just post this short. I applied a face mask, a peeling face mask. So I was like, let me just, though the shot wasn't big, it, like, the duration wasn't much, it wasn't long, so it was short, it was very very short. So I posted it, and the short got 1,500 views. So guys, let me show you guys how much YouTube paid me for this video. So guys, let me click on it. So this is the video. The video has gotten me 1.5k views, which is 1,500 views. People watch this video for long. The percentage is 78.2 average percentage. This is for how long people viewed this video. So the view did for long is okay. This video also have 26 likes, so some persons like the video with some comments. Okay, so with some comments, let me open it. Let's see how much I've made from this video. So yeah, it says that this video performed very well, that it performed well with 1.1k more than usual, so it did better than my other shots. And it also says here that this video did a great job. It says great job, views are 3.5 times higher than your other shots, and viewers watched for long. So viewers watched for long. Okay, so I'm trying to see where the traffic are coming from, but here it didn't show where the traffic are coming from. So here it shows that people watch this video. This upside there is showing that my audience watched this video for long. When the video started, like, they didn't skip it, they watched the video for long. So it's okay. This video has gotten me, it got me seven subscribers. It's got me 7 subscribers. I'm happy. Let's see reach. So this video was showed 2.2k in short field, which is here. So it says here how many choose to watch. So 70.2 viewed, 70.2 people viewed. Why they why 29.8 and skip the video. Okay, so this here shows this how many choose to view. This here shows when this video, like when this short was shown to people, how many people watched and how many people skipped. So the people that watched this short, when they saw this short, are high, like they are more higher than the people that skipped your short. So here it says how viewers find this video. So these viewers find this video through short field, YouTube search, browse features, channel pages, and all this. So here it says external website or apps suggesting this video. So not enough data for it to be shown. So here it says YouTube search things. This is like what people search, so that when they search it, like what people searched, and this short we among the videos that we shown to them. So these are some things that people searched, and this short came out then suggesting the short. Not enough data, playlist featuring the short, not enough. So here it says, okay, let me check something here. Here it says 1.5k views. Here it says unique viewers. Like this 1.5k views, they are unique viewers. These are people that watch this video for real, like they watch to the end. So this video also gave me 10.8 watch hour. When it comes to shorts, so it gave me 10.8 watch hour, and then this is 8.8 more than usual. So it did well, so likes, The name of this is I tried peeling face mask for the first time. Yeah, so people like the video. So yeah, this is average view duration. People watched the video for long. So audience, let's check the audience. Some returning viewers 47. So 47 returning viewers. Others are new viewers. So this is the age of people who viewed it from 18 years to 44 years. Male 26.6% and female 28.4%. Nigeria, United States and India. So not so you see that's it though. People that watch this video, they are not even my subscribers, just few subscribers to watch. So this is it. Okay, so guys, let's now check the revenue. Okay, let's check the revenue. Let's know how much this video made, guys. Can't believe 1,500 views made me 0.10 dollars. You see, it's what I'm telling you guys. Like, can you imagine? Can you imagine this short? Okay, yeah, it says that. Let me. Yeah, it says that my revenue for every 1k views when it comes to short is 0.07 for this particular video. That's what they paid because the video was very short, but that's not enough reason for them to pay this low. I don't know. I just said, guys, let me share this with you guys. Can you imagine? Can you imagine 0.10 dollar? Like, it's not even up to $1. It's up to one. It's not. So guys, please, how are you guys making this money? Please, you guys should tell me how you guys are making this money. Tell me, guys, because maybe there's something I'm not doing well. You guys should tell me how you guys are making this money. See what I made from this. Guys. So I said, let me share with you guys. I don't know. You guys should better tell me the secret. Okay, guys, my battery is even low. See you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.